fast usually because in my office not too busy. So
Mm-hmm.
maybe this first week I think.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you will stay at your place, your home in Bogor,
Yeah,
right, Bro Dadan?
yeah.
Oh,
I'm
where is your
living in
office, if you
Bogor.
don't mind? Where is your office located? I mean, the location, is it in Jakarta?
Yep. My office in
Mm-hmm.
Jalan Marga Satwa.
Oh,
Do you
that's
know Ministry of Agriculture?
yes, of course. Oh, that's quite far from your place then.
Yep. I'm working there.
Oh, so you need to commute every day.
Yep. Every day,
Oh.
I'm going to my office and go back to home in the night. So early morning, I go to Jakarta. So that's
Oh.
my commuter.
Ah, yes. You must be tired then, Bro Dadan, yeah. But hope everything is good from you, yeah, Bro Dadan, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, then. Welcome back to our class, Bro Dadan.
Welcome, sis.
Okay, welcome back everyone. So happy to meet you again. Ya, nggak kerasa udah hari ke-12. Jadi minggu depan itu minggu terakhir ya, everyone. Reminder sekali lagi minggu depan tuh minggu terakhir in this level in basic one. So basically in speaking partner we provide 12 levels. So it takes a time about 1 year, teman-teman. Jadi di speaking partner itu sekitar 12 level kalau untuk kelas dewasa ya secara leveling. And kalau teman-teman ngikutin progress levelnya until the end of this level, so probably it will end it at December. On December ya, teman-teman ya. December gitu ya. Kalau teman-teman mau konsisten gitu ya. Tapi kita, we also
How
provide
how
some,
how we can get it, Siskla?
pardon,
How we can get it, Siskla?
for the next levels.
Yep.
Oh, you just can you just continuing the levels, bro. If you finish with the
Oh,
basic, you can try to move to the next levels, basic two, intermediate, and also advanced, bro.
I mean, we must regression again to
It
admin stuff.
exactly, Bro Dadan. Of
Okay, thank
course.
you.
That's
Yeah,
the important things.
I will do, sis.
Insya Allah, Bro Dadan. Hope you can consistent, ya.
Yep.
Okay, thank you. Brancis, if you possible to open the camera, I really appreciate it ya. Sis Clara udah hafal wajahnya Sis Riren, Sis Zara, Sister Rahma apalagi ya, Sis Mita, Sis Putri, aduh bosen ya. Cecilia lagi gitu ya, Bro Fabian, always consistent to open the camera, thank you. Dan teman-teman lainnya, thank you guys. Right, on the day 12, we're gonna discuss about school and past tense. Nah, kita akan belajar tenses lagi, teman-teman. Sudah siap? Are you ready for our class tonight? Semoga udah siap ya. So,
Yes,
what is
ready.
the meaning of past tense ya, guys? Apa sih past tense, teman-teman?
Kejadian masa lalu. Masa
Wih,
lampau.
masa lampau, kejadian di masa lampau. Yuk move on teman-teman ya, move on ke future aja gitu ya. Tinggali masa lampau. But tonight kita akan diskusi tentang past tense tersebut ya, ataupun how to make a sentence if the situation is already if the situation it's happened in the past teman-teman. Jika situasinya terjadi di masa lampau dan juga school. Teman-teman di sini rata-rata sudah pada lulus ya? Coba boleh diinfo di kolom chat. Kalau yang masih sekolah diinfo SMA atau SMK, yang high school, rata-rata sih kayak sudah pada lulus ya. Tapi kemarin saya juga lihat ada yang masih SMP ya, ada yang SMP ya. Middle school, oke, high school, SMP. Nggak ada yang SD kan guys? Nggak ada ya? Takutnya kelasnya salah nih. Oh, udah lulus ya. Sekarang juga masih SMA teman-teman ya. Tapi 10 tahun yang lalu gitu. I'm sorry guys. Okay. Okay, I want to know guys, let's having chit chat maybe one or two participant here. Do you remember your school? Teman-teman masih ingat sekolahnya teman-teman nih, terutama yang sudah lulus. Guys, do you still remember your school? Sis Meliana, enggak. Okay. How about the others participant nih? Ada yang masih ingat gak sekolahnya gitu ya? And also, can you tell us who was your favorite teacher? Teman-teman ada nggak sih di sekolah yang mau ceritain a favorite teacher di sekolah? If you still remember the name. Yes, I remember. Okay, beside a favorite teacher, also favorite subject. Because I found my husband. You met your husband at school, Sister Hilya? Keren. That's cool. That's cool. Oke, teman-teman, who is your favorite subject? Sorry, what is your favorite subject? Teman-teman, pelajaran apa yang paling teman-teman suka pada saat sekolah atau yang masih sekolah? Biology, art, math, English, Indonesia, bahasa Indonesia. IT, art, English, math, bahasa Indonesia. Oh, kimia. Japanese, sastra Inggris. Oh, kuliahnya di sastra Inggris, keren. Bahasa Arab, history, mhm, olahraga. Nggak ada yang sebutin IPS nih atau PKN ya. Kenapa ini? Oke, kewarganegaraan. Oh, akhirnya ada yang nyebut IPS, PKN ya. Wah, keren ya, everyone. Well, actually, my favorite subjects when I was in high school, it's my major because I graduated in major hotel accommodation. Teman-teman, si Clara dulu SMA-nya tuh kejuruan ya. Kalau teman-teman di sini mungkin ada yang satu background hospitality ataupun di hotel. Dulu materi hotel tuh suka banget, teman-teman. Sama English ya. Office major. Keren. Okay, now we're jump to the next slide, everyone, to mention what is our goals today. Untuk sebutin apa sih uh, target kita, pada malam hari ini ya, everyone. So, we're going to learn past tense and remember our school's moment and anything about it, teman-teman. Jadi hari ini kita akan belajar lagi nih past tense dan mengingat ya momen-momen pada saat sekolah dulu ya. Dan juga hal-hal yang berhubungan dengan sekolah, everyone. Coba teman-teman masih ingat gak kosakata? Sorry, masih ingat gak struktur dari past tense? Boleh di kolom chat. Do you still remember past tense structures, everyone, or the formula? Formula dari past tense, silakan. No, sis. Okay. Subject, verb to plus object. Nice. Okay. Let's get started then. So, how to tell something from the past? Bagaimana untuk menjelaskan sesuatu dari masa lampau? Ya, teman-teman ya. Jadi, basically we have to type. The first one is verbal and also nominals. Do you still remember what is verbal and how about nominal? Ada yang masih ingat? Apa sih verbal sama nominal? Silakan. Verbal, ada yang masih ingat? Mhm. Berasal dari kata verb ataupun kata kerja. Good. Kalau nominal, nah nominal itu menjelaskan biasanya yang berhubungan dengan ena. Ena apa ya? Adjective. Iya, kata kerja tindak. Adjective,
Noun
noun, and
Add adverb.
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 Good. Okay, let's start with the verbal first. Sebelumnya Sis Clara sebenarnya sudah pernah bahas ya, teman-teman, apa itu kata kerja. Dan perlu kita tuliskan lagi subjek apa? Sudah masih ingat, teman-teman? Subject, what is subject? Mhm.
Orangnya.
Pelakunya atau orangnya? Betul.
Pelaku.
Contohnya?
She.
Subject.
Ayu Dewi, she, he, it.
Yes. Are you, they, we, and sorry. Are you Dewi, she,
He,
he.
it.
Yeah, thank you bro Ivan. Maaf, bro Ivan. Thank you so much. Nah, itu ya, teman-teman, subjek itu pelaku ya atau pelaku orangnya kata saya cerita. Ayu, Dewi, she, it. Sekarang nggak perlu catetin satu-satu lagi ya. Kita sudah bahas berapa kali. I itu aku, you kamu, they mereka, we kami atau kita, she dia perempuan, he dia laki-laki, dan it menuju pada benda dan lainnya, teman-teman. Ya, that's okay, Sis Saida. Nah, selain itu ada juga kata kerja ataupun verb. Kita ulangin lagi nih. Kata kerja. Jadi in English itu terdiri ada namanya regular, regular verb, Sama apa teman-teman? Satu lagi.
Irregular verb.
Singular verb.
Irregular.
Yes, irregular verb. What is the meaning of regular verb?
Kata kerja beraturan.
Kata kerja beraturan. Dan juga kata,
Yang tidak beraturan.
ya, kata kerja tak beraturan. Thank you. Gitu ya, teman-teman ya. Biasanya ending with ed. Ed gitu ya. Ada misalnya contoh di verb 2-nya? Bentuk verb 2.
Ate. Bukan. Book. Book.
Booked.
When?
Oke, kalau when irregular.
Walk.
Watch it.
Hmm,
Played.
watch it.
Oh,
Played.
walk.
Played. Walked. Apa lagi?
Read.
Started.
Stored.
Walk. Walk.
Bowed. Bowed.
Started.
Red.
Watch it. Watch it.
Studied.
Started.
Dan seterusnya ya, teman-teman ya. Kalau irregular. How about irregular? Ate.
Drank.
Pardon?
Gone.
Gone verb. Coba gone itu yang mana? Verb 2 or verb 3?
Went.
When.
Sorry.
Ini fokusnya verb 2 aja ya.
Took.
Oke. Iya, took. Take, took, take.
Taken.
From.
Dan.
From.
Oke. Dan seterusnya. Thank you everyone. Boleh mic-nya dikunci lagi ya biar nggak noise ya. Oke, please close the mic or turn off the mic. Oke. So, teman-teman yang saya sekarang sebutkan di regular verb, it's verb 2 ya, bentuk kedua. Tapi normalnya itu ada bentuk ketiga, ke-1, kedua ya, ke-1, kedua, dan ketiga. Tapi in the past, mostly we use verb 2 untuk yang positif. Tapi sis Clara, ini ada verb 1 ya. Kok dia pakai verb 1? Ada yang tahu nggak? What was the reason why we use verb 1 in a negative formula? Ada yang tahu?
Causes the negative sentence.
Because?
Causes the negative sentence.
Kasi the negative sentence. Okay, thank you,
Karena
Bro Dada.
menggunakan did bukan?
Yes. Yes, the correct one is because we already used did. Kata verb 1 do did apa? Keceplosan ya. Kata verb 1 did. Verb 1 did apa?
Do.
Oke, berarti did adalah verb
To.
Wah. Kalau verb 3-nya did?
Dan.
Dan thank you Sis Yumna. Good job. Oke, sampai sini any question? Sudah jelas untuk penjelasan subjek dan verb sebelum kita bahas rumusnya? Any questions?
Not yet.
Oke. Oke. Sama komplement. Komplement itu apa ya? Kata?
Pelengkap.
Ya, pelengkap atau keterangan juga boleh. Thank you so much everyone. Misalnya, saya sekarang mau tulis I played basketball last weekend. I played basketball last weekend. Apakah sudah betul bentuk keduanya dari play adalah played? Correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Correct. How about the second
Correct.
one, guys? How about the second one? Formulanya subjek, maka kita turunin lagi I. Rumusnya di sini didn't. Oke, maka selanjutnya adalah I
didn't play
ya.
basketball
Last weekend. Yes, last weekend. Oke. Bentuk ketiganya. Bentuk yang katanya integrative, everyone. How is it?
Did I
Play
basketball last week?
Yes, last weekend. Oke. Mudah ya sampai sini. Ada pertanyaan? Do you got it until here?
Yes, got it.
Oke. Nah, itu untuk bentuk yang pertama gitu ya, ataupun dalam verbal kata kerja. Teman-teman di sini ada yang mau raise hand, bisa bikin contoh? Oh,
Udah,
Sestara,
1
kalau
menit
you
lewat.
played boleh nggak? Iya, boleh Bro Deris, boleh. Did you play? Sorry teman-teman. Teman-teman, jadi kalau integrative, kalau di sininya I itu biasanya berubah menjadi did you. Thank you, Sis Putri. Fatima, silakan.
Wis 34 mateng. She cooked fried rice last night.
Oke, thank you, Sis Putri. Well done. How about Sis Shellen? Dipersilakan. Open the mic first. Yep,
Ini yang buat verbal atau nominal, Miss?
verbal dulu, Sister Shellen.
Coba dulu.
Yep.
Maybe I will.
Mhm.
Didn't you eat with them last night?
Did you...
Tidakkah kamu?
Mhm. Bukankah kamu?
Didn't you eat with them last night?
Good. Thank you so much, Sis Shellen. Good.
Alright, thank
Sis
you.
Mita. Teman-teman bikin contoh silakan raisen ya.
I watch TV every night.
Oh, I watch TV every night. Thank you so much, Sis Mita. I really appreciate it. Oke, kurang lebih seperti itu ya, teman-teman, untuk yang verbal atau kata kerja. Now we're gonna jump into nominal. Nah, nominal it consists of adjective, noun, sama adverb. Waktu itu in a present tense kita sudah pernah bahas ya. Adjective, what is the meaning of adjective? Adjective,
Sifat.
Kata sifat, sis.
kata sifat, the examples?
Handsome.
Beautiful, smart,
Cute.
gorgeous,
Delicious.
and so on. What about noun? Kata benda.
Location.
Location,
Teacher.
occupation, teacher,
Lecture.
lecture, dan seterusnya. Terakhir adverb. Kata?
Keterangan.
Oke, contohnya
Quickly.
Last week.
last week,
Slowly
slowly,
last night.
quickly, dan seterusnya. Oke. Kalau subjek masih sama seperti yang sebelah kiri ya, everyone. But here we have to be. Di sini kita ada to be, ada namanya was sama were. Ada yang tahu nggak kapan kita pakai was, kapan kita pakai were? Do you know when we will use was and were?
Was
Yes,
itu
I know, Miss.
for Ayu
Was
Dewi.
for
Okay.
I.
Yep.
She, it.
Okay. Hi, I,
Was
She,
singular.
he, and it. What about were?
It's
for
for
you, they, and we. And
Nice.
we.
Thank you. Okay. Contoh, I was, she was, he was, it was, and were. You were, they were, we were. Oke, so please don't get wrong everyone. Jangan sampai salah lagi ya ketika penggunaan was sama were ya. Jangan sampai nanti menggunakan you was atau they was ya everyone. Oke, let's start with the ENA. Teman-teman, kita akan buat contoh lagi untuk kalimat positif, negatif, dan juga integrative. Jadi kalau di sini kita nggak pakai
This mean similar with does and do ya?
iya, untuk penggunaannya subjeknya ya, ada penentunya ya, bro. Dadan ya. Yes, correct. Okay, let's get started to make a simple sentence. Misalnya ya, sekarang tulis she was happy yesterday. Dia bahagia kemarin, berarti hari ini enggak ya. How about the negative one? Boleh open di mic-nya?
She was not happy yesterday.
Wasn't happy yesterday. How about the integrative one?
Was you happy yesterday? Was you happy yesterday?
Happy yesterday. Oke. Teman-teman sampai sini gimana? Lebih mudah untuk bikin contoh?
Yes.
Oke, kurang lebih seperti itu. Ada lagi ya teman-teman, misalnya kita bikin contoh deh. Yang kedua, for example, kita menggunakan they. Kalau kita menggunakan they, pakainya were or was?
Were.
Were. Maka they were, misalnya they were excited Excited about the trip. How about the negative one?
They
They were
wasn't
not, or
They
they
Or
weren't
not excited about
not
it.
excited about
excited
the
or
trip.
weren't
about
excited about the trip.
trip.
How about the integrative one?
Were they not
They
excited about the trip?
About the trip. Oke, mic-nya boleh dikunci lagi ya teman-teman. Were they excited about the trip? Until here, do you got it? Sis Clara, were saat jawaban atau pertanyaan? Benarkah? Maksudnya gimana nih? Wait. Yes, were saat jawaban atau pertanyaan, benarkah gitu ya. Jadi penggunaan were itu pasti ya Sister Saida ya, because kita menentukan to be ataupun rumusnya seperti itu ya. Ada linking verb di sini, ada to be-nya di sini dan juga Ena. Pasti formulanya seperti ini, Sister Sister Saidah ya. Tinggal menyesuaikan saja dengan penggunaan subjeknya. So please jangan buat salah lagi teman-teman ketika mau pakai I, she, he, it, kita pakai was, and if we want to use you, they, we, so we use
Were.
were. Okay.
Siska,
Anyone?
Siska,
Yes, please,
if
bro.
we're not, we can merge. We call weren't or
Oh,
what?
if we're not. Misalnya menggunakannya if we're not. Maksud bro gitu. If
Ya,
we're not.
kalau misalnya dibacanya itu kan were not pakai strip, jadi tetap dibaca were not weren't.
Weren't. Cara bacanya weren't.
Weren't ya.
Mhm, mhm.
Oke, thank you.
Yes, my pleasure. Teman-teman pernah dengar nggak? Ada namanya conditional sentence kayak bilang kayak gini. If I were you, I would buy the house. Nah, Sis Clara, kok itu if I were you, bukannya harusnya pakainya untuk you Dewi? Ada yang tahu alasannya? Kalau misalnya konteksnya kayak gini. If I were you, I would bla bla bla. Ada yang tahu alasannya nggak? Kayalan sis, betul teman-teman. Karena ini teman-teman ini termasuknya conditional sentence ataupun pengandaian. Jadi beda konteksnya. Jadi penggunaan were itu juga terkecuali jika teman-teman itu ingin membuat suatu pengandaian. Nah, nanti itu ada di level intermediate tuh ya, semoga teman-teman bisa lanjut ke level berikutnya. Oke, any question sebelum teman-teman bikin contoh? Any questions? Oke, got it? Do you got it? Okay. Now you can raise your hand if you want to make a sentence. You can raise your hand if you want to make a sentence. Let's hear from Sismita here. Go on, Sismita. Oh no. Okay, Bro Darius, please. Yeah, bro.
Can you hear me?
Lupa
Oh,
nurunin.
very clear.
He was sad. He was sad yesterday.
He was said yesterday. Thank you, Bro Darius. Good. Cecilia. Teman-teman juga boleh ya bikin kalimat di kolom chat. Cecilia, open the mic first.
Oke.
Yep.
She was... Oh, yang negatif berarti saya, Miss.
Boleh bebas, sister. Boleh negatif, boleh kalimat tanya.
He was unwell yesterday.
Okay, thank you, Cecilia. Another participants here wanna try? Ada lagi? Okay, clear ya guys? Is it clear? Okay, now let's move on. I'm gonna invite you to help me to find the meaning in bahasa. So you can raise your hand if you want to practice here. Sismita, please. Ini keangkat atau beneran nih? Yes, Sismita, open the mic. Read it first and after that translate it.
I went to Bandung last week.
The meaning?
Saya pergi ke Bandung minggu lalu.
Okay, thank you so much, sister. Wait. The second one, Sister Putri Princess. Yep.
She made breakfast this morning.
The meaning?
Dia membuat sarapan pagi ini.
Dia membuat sarapan pagi ini. Yap. Thank you, Sis Putri. Saida? Sis Saida, number 3. Mhm.
She dislike me cooking that morning.
Yep.
Artinya, aku suka memasak di pagi hari.
Aku suka memasak di pagi hari.
Hmm.
Okay, thank you, Sis Saida. The next one, Sis Yumna, number 4.
I was flight attendant in 2019.
Mhm.
Gitu.
2019 or 2019, that's okay.
Ay,
The meaning?
Saya telah flight attendant apa, Miss?
Miss Klan,
Pramugari.
can I interrupt this?
Yes, Bro Ivan.
Terbang.
Saya menjadi pramugari tahun 2019.
In number in the point
Wait a
in the
second.
point number 3, they didn't like my cooking. It means the
Yeah, yeah.
true.
We'll check it the answer after at the end of this one ya, Bro. Terakhir ya, koreksinya.
Okay.
Thank you. Silakan Sis Yumna, saya telah menjadi
Pramugari.
mana Sis Yumna nih? Aha. Silakan Sis Yumna.
Saya telah terbang.
Saya adalah seorang
Saya
pramugari.
adalah seorang pramugari di tahun 2019.
Thank you Sis Yumna. Sis Putri. Kita akan koreksi di terakhir ya, teman-teman ya. Yep.
You were in Jakarta yesterday, right? Artinya kamu di Jakarta kemarin kan?
Kemarin kan. Thank you Sis Putri. Bro Daris.
Daris,
Yep, Bro Daris.
It was 12,000 rupiah yesterday, and now it is 15,000.
Rupiah. Yep.
And
What is
meaning, kemarin jumlahnya 12.000.
Bro Daris.
Dan sekarang 15.000.
Yep. Thank you so much, Bro. The next one, Sis Asma. Sis Asma, please. Yep.
I took my book from the library last night.
Yes, the meaning.
Aku mengambil bukuku dari perpustakaan tadi malam.
Thank you, sister. Sis Rizka Ayusita Dewi. Sis Rizka Ayusita Dewi.
Iya, Miss.
Yep.
She broke the window when she couldn't get in.
Couldn't get in.
Couldn't get it.
Yep.
Dia memecahkan jendela ketika dia tidak bisa masuk.
Jendela ketika dia tidak bisa masuk. Thank you so much, sister. Sis Shalen.
Alright, sis. When I was in Makassar, I ate a lot of fish. Saat aku berada di Makassar, aku makan banyak ikan. Thank you, sis.
Thank you so much, Sis Shalen. Aku makan. Thank you. Bro Yazid, the next one. Iya.
Saya telah menggunakan.
Boleh dibaca dulu, Bro? I used
I
to.
used to use go. Used to itu apa sih? Telah digunakan.
No, aku dulunya gitu ya.
Oh, aku
Atau
dulunya.
saya pernah gitu ya. Saya pernah menjadi gitu ya.
Saya pernah menjadi murid di sekolah ini.
Saya pernah menjadi murid.
Berarti used to itu digabungnya jadi pernah ya, Bus?
Oke, nanti kita bahas ya, Bro Yazid.
Oke.
Thank you for the questions. After this ya, sekalian. Sis Nisa, last. Did you go to Lombok? Yep.
Okay, wait. Did you go to Lombok with Aldo last month? Apakah kamu pergi ke Lombok dengan Aldo bulan lalu?
Thank you so much, sister.
Thank
Okay,
you, sister.
everyone, let's check it one by one. I went to Bandung last week. Saya pergi ke Bandung minggu lalu. So what do you think? Correct or incorrect? Betul atau salah? Correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Correct.
How about the second one? Dia membuat sarapan pagi ini. She made breakfast this morning.
Correct, Miss.
Correct,
Also
Miss.
correct. They didn't like my cooking this morning. Aku memasak di pagi hari.
Incorrect, Miss.
Incorrect.
Which one is the correct one?
Mereka
They
tidak
didn't
menyukai
like
masakanku.
tidak menyukai masakanku
pagi
pagi
ini.
ini.
Oke, mereka tidak menyukai masakanku pagi.
Pagi
Ini.
ini.
Pagi
Nah, ini
ini.
yang tepat ya, Branches ya. Mereka tidak menyukai masakanku pagi ini. I was a flight attendant in 2019 or 2019.
Correct.
Jadi pramugari.
Yes, correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Correct.
The next one here, you were in Jakarta yesterday, right? Kamu di Jakarta kemarin, kan?
Correct.
Correct.
Correct. Apakah sudah betul penggunaannya pakai were? What was the reason why we use were? Apa alasannya kita pakai were di sini, guys? Karena subjeknya adalah you.
Karena
Oke.
pakai you.
The next one, it was 12,000 rupiah yesterday and now it is
Incorrect.
15,000. Betul atau
Incorrect.
salah?
Incorrect.
Incorrect. Yang betul gimana, bro?
Kemarin
Kemarin harganya
harganya 12.000 rupiah, sekarang 15.000.
harganya 15.
Kemarin harganya 12
12.
rupiah dan sekarang 15. Gini ya.
Ya.
Okay. The next one, I took my book from the library last night. Aku mengambil bukuku dari perpustakaan tadi malam.
Correct.
Miss.
Correct. She
Correct.
broke the window when she couldn't get in. Dia memecahkan jendela ketika dia tidak bisa masuk.
Correct.
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 Broke bukannya merusak, Miss.
Iya, bisa merusak atau memecahkan.
Oke.
Tergantung konteksnya. When I was in Makassar, I ate a lot of fish. Saat
Correct.
aku berada di Makassar, aku makan banyak
Ikan.
ikan.
Correct.
Correct.
I used to be a student at this school.
Correct.
Yes,
Correct.
correct. Saya pernah menjadi murid atau siswa. Yes, di sekolah ini ya. So it's also correct. Last but not least, did you go to Lombok with Aldo last month?
Correct.
Betul. Ada yang betul semua? Guys, has anyone here got all the correct answer? Sesuai ekspektasinya?
Yap,
Ada ya?
me too.
Yes.
Okay. Nah, Sis Clara mau tanya, Sis Clara, what is the meaning use? Use bukannya artinya pernah ya, Sis Clara. Kok used to? Use itu bukannya menggunakan artinya. Kok used to menjadi pernah? Ada yang tahu nggak alasannya? Boleh, open mic. Boleh, silakan. Does anyone here know the reason why used to itu adalah menjadi
know,
pernah?
Miss.
Silakan.
Oke. Karena used to kita gunain itu untuk ngelakuin kebiasaan yang selalu kita lakuin di masa lalu, tapi saat ini udah nggak lagi.
Weh,
Thank you,
give us
sis.
to Sister Shellen. Wah, insya Allah semoga jadi guru bahasa Inggris ya, Sister Shellen. Good job, teman-teman.
Isklah.
Yes, Bro Ivan.
Apakah used to itu sama dengan have been or had been?
Oh, oke. Beda konteksnya ya, Bro Ivan ya. Kalau used to itu lebih verb to, tapi kalau have been itu formulanya berbeda gitu. Tapi kalau used to itu biasanya kita gunakan dalam konteks seperti yang si Shellen sampaikan tadi ketika menjelaskan sesuatu yang pernah kita lakukan tapi di masa lampau gitu. Tapi sebenarnya have been juga mirip gitu ya, Bro. Misalnya I've ever been to Bali gitu yang menjelaskan konteks buat kalau misalnya dia pernah ke Bali. Hanya saja penyesuaian atau penggunaannya itu berbeda gitu ya.